Let us go with the problem number 8 here. Right, we are supposed to find, so they have given 5 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3. So 5 terms they have given is equal to, so we need to find this. Right, so we know we can't apply any law of indices. Right, let us find first this 5 to the power of 3 is nothing but what? See, so 5 to the power of 3 means what? You need to multiply 5 3 times, that is 5 into 5 into 5. Right, 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 25 multiplied by 5 is going to be 125. So which means, so 125 plus 125 plus 125 plus 125 plus 125. Now you find the sum here. So 125, 250, right? So 250 is 500, 500 plus 125, which gives a 625. Right, they have given the option in this way, right, in terms of power, right? So let us check out how can we make it. So we know that 5 to the power of 3 is going to be 125. If you multiply it again with 5, so what we are going to get? 5 5s are 5 into 5, that is 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, right, 1 carry, right, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 625. So which means 5 to the power of 3 into 5. So which is nothing but, so 5 to the power of 1, which is nothing but 5. Right. So apply the law of indices, that is a to the power of m into a to the power of n, which is nothing but a to the power of m plus n. If the base is same and the power is different, then you need to add it. So which means 5 to the power of 3 dot 5 to the power of 1, which is nothing but 5 to the power of 3 plus 1, which is going to be 5 to the power of 4. So the option A is the right one.